This is the Audi A8 Air Shock Absorption Pack and sent from Los Angeles in a quilt. The owner said he would lend the car to a friend to play with. The next day, the car was lying down. After inspection by the 4S shop, it is shock absorption and air leakage. The manager said that the shock absorption can be repaired. The plan they gave was to replace the two shock absorbers together. The total price is $5,500. Now this car can't even sell for $7,000. Fortunately, I have seen the video of my professional maintenance and shock absorption before. If you are destined to swipe this video, please stretch out your rich hands. Give me a like, by the way. Getting your affirmation is the greatest encouragement to me. Next, the master will assemble the shock absorption together according to the original factory standards. How much do you think is appropriate for the